So welcome to the River Kwai and the Railroad of Death. So if you, like me, have seen the movie I did as a child called The Bridge Over the River called Kwai, or the River Kwai, something like that. And first time I came here, I thought it would be like a bamboo bridge, but it's not, as you can see. Just crossed the bridge on foot, so a lot of people come here every year to see the bridge, and actually you can still take a train across. So take the local train, and actually it stops just here. There's a station just before the bridge, and you can have a ride to the other side. Go by a longtail boat up here, or you can take the van or bus we provide. But the trip in the longtail boat is quite nice. You know, you follow the river, it's very green, and you can see small temples and houses along the river. So that would be a nice way to get here, and maybe you could come back by car. Time to go. I will find the exit if I can. So cave tour just over. Just came up. Sitting up here watching the river. Fantastic view. Having a lemonade. Life is great. So here we are at Don Rang Cemetery, where many of the soldiers who died doing the build of the bridge and railroad lies. They were made